You've eaten them and you've craved them. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what's really inside a McDonald's chicken nugget? Are they made with 100% chicken breast? Or is that infamous pink slime rumor actually true? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the world's most iconic fast food items. From farm to fryer, we're revealing every secret behind that irresistible taste. And trust me, what we uncover might just change how you see that next 20-piece box. Before we dive in, I want to know, did you ever believe the pink slime story? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite foods. By the way, did you know McNuggets didn't even hit the menu until nearly 30 years after McDonald's first opened? They were introduced in 1981, and now McDonald's sells over 34 million nuggets every single day. That's about 12 billion nuggets a year across more than 100 countries. The story of the McNugget begins in the late 1970s. McDonald's was searching for a new menu item beyond beef burgers, something that could satisfy growing demand for chicken. Executive chef Rene Arend initially tried onion nuggets, but they failed to win over customers. It was Fred Turner, McDonald's chairman, who suggested switching to chicken. Chef Arend and a small team worked for over a year to perfect the concept. Alongside food scientist Bud Sweeney and Keystone Foods' Herb Lotman, they developed the unique shapes and the process that allowed mass production without losing quality. The first McNuggets were test-marketed in Knoxville, Tennessee in 1980, where they sold out almost immediately. After refining supply chains to meet demand, McNuggets launched nationwide by 1983 and quickly became a fast food icon. Every McNugget begins its journey at a farm, but not just any farm. McDonald's sources its chicken from USDA-approved farms that follow strict animal welfare and food safety standards. The chicken used is 100% white meat, mainly breast and tenderloin, known for their lean texture and mild flavor. These farms supply companies like Tyson Foods, McDonald's main chicken supplier. Tyson's massive plants process millions of pounds of chicken each week, using advanced systems that ensure quality and consistency on a scale few other brands can match. Think about it. Tyson's plants produce enough chicken each year to supply billions of nuggets to hungry customers across the globe. That's the power of precision supply chain management meeting our love for nuggets. Once the chickens arrive at the processing plants, skilled workers take over. Using sharp boning knives and conical stands, they carefully remove the chicken meat. Each worker can debone about 30 chickens an hour, a speed that takes months of training to perfect. Each cut is made to ensure maximum yield with minimal waste, focusing specifically on the chicken breast and tenderloin parts that give nuggets their signature lean, tender texture. These are the only chicken parts used, no organs or dark meat. Each piece is inspected multiple times to catch any bone fragments or imperfections. What's incredible is how efficient this process is today. The precision of modern deboning ensures that more usable meat is recovered per bird than ever before, minimizing waste. After deboning, the meat is inspected, first by machines, then by human quality control teams. The aim? Make absolutely sure no bone fragments or unwanted pieces make it through. A single Tyson plant can process hundreds of thousands of pounds of chicken each day. It's a finely tuned operation where people and technology work hand in hand to deliver clean, high-quality chicken ready for the next step. Next, the chicken is ground into a smooth, uniform paste, essential for getting that consistent McNugget texture. A small amount of chicken skin is blended in at this stage. Why? Because it helps the nugget stay moist during cooking and enhances the flavor profile. Then comes the seasoning. McDonald's adds cornstarch as a binder, a pinch of salt, and a blend of spices. The exact spice mix is a closely guarded trade secret, known only to a select few. It's what gives McNuggets that distinct, familiar taste that's the same whether you're in Chicago, Shanghai, or Sydney. In fact, these blending machines are so powerful they can produce enough mix for millions of nuggets in just one shift. The blending rooms are temperature-controlled to keep the chicken fresh and safe during the process. With the mix ready, it's time for the iconic nugget shapes. Industrial forming machines press the chicken mixture into 4 designs: the ball, bell, boot, and bow tie. These shapes aren't just fun, they're practical. They ensure that nuggets cook evenly and are easy to dip in your favorite sauce. Did you know that the boot's flat edge was actually designed specifically for dipping? with McDonald's signature sauces like sweet and sour, barbecue, honey mustard, and spicy buffalo being fan favorites around the world. The shapes and sauces together create that perfect bite customers love. Details like that show just how much thought goes into something as simple as a nugget. And the scale is staggering. A single plant can form more than 2 million nuggets a day, with machines stamping out identical pieces at lightning speed. Now comes the coating, the part that gives McNuggets that golden, crispy outside. First, the nuggets pass through a curtain of liquid batter. This layer helps the tempura batter stick and keeps the crispy shell intact during frying. The tempura batter is light, airy, and carefully designed to create that satisfying crunch. Nuggets are then par-fried in vegetable oil at around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, just long enough to set the batter and lock in moisture. At this stage, they're not fully cooked. That final step happens in the restaurant. Here's a fun detail. Perfecting this batter took McDonald's years of testing. They needed a formula that could hold up to freezing, shipping, and final frying without losing its crunch or falling apart. And today's batter hits that mark, delivering that signature texture millions of people love. A single industrial fryer in the plant can handle thousands of nuggets every minute. Imagine the scale of that operation. Once par-fried, the nuggets are sent through a blast freezer set at -30 degrees Fahrenheit. The rapid freezing process locks in moisture and helps preserve the texture of both the meat and the batter. Flash freezing also prevents the coating from getting soggy when the nuggets are reheated for serving. The frozen nuggets are then vacuum sealed in protective packaging designed to prevent freezer burn during transport. McDonald's sources these nuggets from major production hubs located in the US, Canada, and Europe, with large factories in states like Tennessee and Georgia, as well as plants in Ontario and Germany. From these facilities, the frozen nuggets are loaded onto temperature-controlled trucks and containers and shipped worldwide, reaching over 100 countries while maintaining strict cold chain logistics. This ensures the nuggets arrive at McDonald's restaurants fresh and ready for final cooking. At your local McDonald's, the nuggets are cooked to order. Frozen nuggets are deep-fried around 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they're golden, crispy, and perfectly cooked inside. A single busy restaurant can serve thousands of nuggets in one day, a testament to just how beloved they are. Once cooked, the nuggets are packed into those familiar boxes, ready for you to enjoy with your favorite dipping sauce. McNuggets were the brainchild of Chef Rene Arend, created to meet rising demand for chicken-based fast food in the 1980s. Within a year of their national launch, McNuggets became one of McDonald's top-selling items. As for that pink slime rumor, let's put it to rest. McNuggets have never contained pink slime or any similar filler. They're made from 100% white meat chicken. The company has taken major steps to ensure transparency, from open factory tours to clearer labeling and cleaner recipes. So now you know the real story behind McDonald's chicken nuggets. 100% chicken, no pink slime, and a whole lot of science behind that perfect bite. What's your go-to dipping sauce? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at the foods you love.